so good right there. It looks like put together.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Welcome guys to another video. In today's video, you're finally gonna see how my living room and my dining room turned out. I know this is a long awaited video. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Here are the clips and tell me what you think. So let's go. Okay guys, so in this clip what you're seeing is actually how my living room looked. Not necessarily before, because you're going to be seeing a lot of Amazon packages. But this is actually the layout right now. Don't mind my son cocking up on the sofa right now, just ignore him. But this is basically the layout of what I had before the whole transition. So in this, everything is gonna go. The coffee table, the couches, the TV stand, the TV, basically everything's gonna go. So you really have to stay tuned to see how the outcome, how it looks. Yeah, how it turned out. Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah. Okay, so we're going around the back of the couch. Again, told you about the Amazon packages. All these packages are going to be using to decorate or to redecorate these spaces. And then we are going to be rolling right over into the dining room. Those flowers, guys, those plants, do you remember them? They're coming from my office space. So I switched out the ones that were actually up here. They were smaller, and I switched them out to, so the ones that were up here, I put them into my office, and the ones in my office are up here. So here we're entering my dining room space. You see all of them. Don't mind them. It's a lot. It's a lot. I know. And more came after this. Trust and believe. Not really proud of it, but yeah. Anyway, this is my dining room layout right now. This is how it's looking before the whole transition. So yeah.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2.
Okay guys, so it got even crazier because this is after the couches, or should I say the couch and the dining table, everything. After the furniture were delivered, this is how my house is looking. Like, I literally just moved in. It was a hot mess. So these are all the Amazon packages as you have seen before, the additional ones that came in, the dining room, and just everything that had to be pushed up to accommodate the new furniture. So
set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
It looks so good right there. It looks like put together and all that.
Right, and then it comes
And
in with the curtains.
Yes. I'm loving it a lot.
Thank you very much. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like after we finished. It has the LED lights, it has different colors. Got a remote for it. But this one, it's not working. LED on this one is not working. And it came with some stuff like chipped off. I have already reached out to Amazon on this one, so I'm waiting to hear what they have to say. But I'm not in the mood to send it back because I would have to scrap it, and this was a lot of work last night. It's basically like day 2. Let's see what's gonna happen today. Today I want to tackle this area. Already raise the picture frame over here, so I want to do the same thing with this one. But I'm going to clean here. I think I want to tackle this today and see if I can actually build it as the accent chair. And you have the TV stand and the coffee table. Where's the coffee table? Coffee table is around the kitchen area. That's still a mess, as you can see. And then see how far I can go. This is the TV. So the TV is supposed to be mounted on this wall right here, but I can't. And then you have the floating shelves in the corner. So I can't really do anything until the TV actually goes up, so I can actually position the floating shelf accordingly. I have one thing that I'm really, really sad about. Guys, it's still a mess. Everybody, I'm still cleaning. I have my family, as you can see, this. Initially, in my mind, I was hoping that this could actually come across here, because it was here originally, right? So I'm hoping that it could come here, but it's too long, can't hold. So I have to find another home for it, which is very sad, because I really wanted it here in the living room. So this is what it's looking like so far. The curtains are up. Couch is in position. We just need to clean up. And yeah.
No. Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it heals, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but
Okay guys, so the TV is finally up. The floating shelves are also up. I did finish the coffee table the night before, but my battery died, so I wasn't able to show you that. Now what you're looking on right now is a TV stand I'm about to set up. Unfortunately, that's it for the living room for right now, so let's float right into the dining room.
Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
Okay guys, so here Troy has the thingamajig to put the cords together, that white thing, so it's not showing that much. So he's gonna do that cord all the way down here to kind of cover up, right? And then the other problem that I have that I'm gonna fix, the 8-seater, right? It's too much. You realize that it's all the way over here. So originally, you guys know that I had bought 6-seaters, and then this in the middle is the extension. So you can see the thing, but it's too long. So, and then you can see that it's not in the middle of where it needs to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this section of it. And then put in storage 2 of these chairs that will cause it to kind of come back up and making it not so long for it to actually fit the rug. So that is it. And then in the future, I might kind of change up the look. But that is what it's looking like right now. So this TV stand right now, it actually has LED light. Let me turn it on for you to see. So it got LED light. It can change colors and all that good stuff. So it go red, then go green. So it has all different colors that you can change. It has timer and all that good stuff, right? But I like it on the blue. Now this coffee table also came with LED light, but I didn't put it on because it has the wires that I would have to run all over the place for this. So I took that off. So yeah. And then you have the 2 end tables, this one and that one over there in the corner, that also has LED lights. Right, again, you can change colors. One remote, I love that it kind of do both of them. But yeah, it has a timer, the mood, the speed, everything. So I'm loving this look so far. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I don't remember if you guys remembered what this was looking like before, where you had the picture frames and you had those that were over it, right? So the picture frame, initially I wanted to come here, but it is too wide. It's too long, right? So unfortunately I have to put, I couldn't put that back up, but I'm gonna put it downstairs in the lounge area. Cause yeah, I really love it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now, guys. This is my space. Guys, I do hope that you enjoyed that video. Please leave your comment below and let me know what you think, what you would change, what you like. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like and share this video. And until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.